Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. My name is LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very simple lifestyle vlog where I get here every morning and I try to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I possibly can. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children. I have 2 boys and a girl. I am a United States Navy veteran. I'm also a surgical tech. I am disabled and I work full-time here now from my home. I am a hustler. That's right, I'm a hustler. I get up every day and I work. I do something for my YouTube channel every single day. And I love what I do. I love to help people, uplift people, encourage people, and talk about the love of the Lord. That's right. So this is my new intro. So here I am. And if you like what you see, click like, share, comment, and come back here on a daily basis. So here's today's video. Hello, it's me, LaShawn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me here once again. It's pretty early. It is the weekend. I am tired, but I have to get my laundry ready, okay? And if you're new, you don't know that I send my laundry off to be laundered. But that seemed like all you do is make a phone call, your laundry picked up. That's not quite how it goes. I use a laundry service that comes and picks up the laundry from my house, my dirty laundry, and then they take it back, they wash it, they press it, they clean it, they sanitize it, they fold it, and they bag it up, and then they deliver it back to me. Because I don't have a wash and dryer, and I can't get to do that like I used to. So the blessing here is that I have found a service, and the name of the service has changed. They changed their name. It used to be SudShare. I did so many videos, but the new name is called Poplin, Poplin, and I'll put a link to it in case you're interested. It's a great way for people who have limited mobility, for people who are disabled, who are hard to get around, who can't do their laundry on their own. Now, if I had a wash and dryer and it was low enough, I could do it and sit in my walker if I had to. But that is not the case in this apartment where I have now. It's simply not enough room for all that. So at this present time, I'm not complaining. I do these videos to help people. I do these videos because I had to come up with a solution. If you don't know anything about me, one thing you'll learn really quickly if you watch my videos is I am not a complainer. I'm a solution solver. So if I come on here and I'm telling you I don't know what I'm gonna do about this X, Y, and Z, I don't tried it and I ain't figured it out. And I'm hoping that somebody that watched the video will put in the comments section suggestions which can help me. So I don't complain. I won't come on here. If all I got to do is complain, then how is that teaching people? How is that lifting people up? And how is that encouraging people? So I won't come on here complaining. I only look for solutions. And Poplin is my solution for laundry care. So I get my dirty clothes and wait for them to come pick it up. So that's what I'm finna do now. So I don't always make videos when I do the laundry. I do them every month or every couple of months or so in case somebody don't know about the service. Because there are a lot of disabled veterans that I know who are happy with this service and it works for them. I was given this suggestion and I've been using it now I've been here for 2 years, but I haven't used it the whole 2 years because not until I was not able to drive anymore. So about a year I've used this service. So if you've used Poplin or SudShare, leave a message or tell me how the service worked for you. This is not a review because I've done reviews before, but if you taking this as a review, I always love their work. I haven't had any bad situations that's really worth, holding on to. I've had issues, but this service offers where you can have your favorites. And so after you've been with them for a while, you have a list of people that you have given 5 stars to, who you like, who you prefer. So those are your preferences, and you can you could program them in so that you can always have the same people. So those people are wonderful. So that's it. I have to get going. I have to do that, and I don't want to spend too much time on that because I'm going to relax today. And so again, I'm doing laundry today. I'm using a laundry service where you send your clothes out. It's called Poplin, Poplin, and the link will be in the comment section. Okay, so back to the video, and I hope it's helpful. Okay, I got my laundry back, and this is how it comes back. It comes back in a bag, and everything is in its proper place. And then right here, as you can see, this is my person that did my laundry. That's my account number, and she puts, "It was a pleasure helping you out with your laundry. Have a great weekend, Nikisha." She's one of my favorites. And here is my laundry. And now I separate it, and then I get ready to put it up. I am so thankful to God that I found this service, and it gives my clothes. These are my socks and underwear and small towels, big towels, and clothes. This is all my laundry. I fold my laundry a certain way, so I refold these. Oh, they smell so fresh. I wish you was able to smell that. But I fold my towels a certain way. These are the hand towels, and so I refold those halfway like this. See, they fold them in half like this, but I don't. I refold them the way they are in my linen closet. I don't really mind doing laundry. I wish I had a wash and dryer, because if I did, I wouldn't even have more than a hamper of laundry at a time. Back in the day when I had a wash and dryer, everything was clean. I love the fresh smell of laundry. I love having my laundry done. Dirty laundry smells. You have to really be on top of that, because I don't know, everybody's different. My towels are pretty old. Some of them are pretty bleached, but they still work. I'll just tell you right now, because I'm sure somebody who will put something in the comment section about how stained my towels look. But think about it. I just got them back from the laundry. So somebody will put how nasty my towels look or something like that, because there's so many negative people. These are my kitchen towels right here, the red ones. I use that one in the kitchen. This one in the kitchen. When they start to get old like this, that's what I put my dishes on. This one here. And this one used to belong to a set. It's, like I said, some of these towels are pretty old. The string coming off of them. Gotta find some scissors. Some of them falling apart, as you can see. The more you wash them, the raggedy they'll get, you know? I just clip them sometime when they come back from the laundry like this. It helps them to live a little longer. Okay, these are my big towels that I'm about to do now. My big ones. I can never get these knots out. So I'm gonna cut this. And I don't fold my towels like this. I do half and half. That's how I fold my towels. And then I set them in the linen closet this way. Yeah. Okay, so now I head up the hallway after I load up all the towels. Now, this would take 5-6 trips, but all I have to do is take the laundry that I refolded and pack it up, stack it up on my walker and get it situated, and then I go up the hallway because I have a linen closet that's across from my bedroom, and all my towels are in there, all my towels and, you know, toilet paper and stuff like that. So this is where my scooter is, so sometimes it's kind of hard to get through here. And so I just head up the hall to the closet. Okay, so now on the left-hand side, this is my linen closet right here. And I'm just going to slowly stack up my towels in a nice, where it's easy to reach too as I head to the bathroom every day. And so I like this a specific way. That's why I fold my laundry a specific way. And I can just reach in and see what I got in there, what's clean. And let me know when it's time to do laundry again. So that's it. That's all I got. I just like to have my laundry organized a certain way when it's clean. I love clean laundry. Simply do what works best for you and what works best for your family. I say that all the time, but it's true. Okay, so as you can see, we are finally finished with our laundry, and it is a wonderful thing to have a service where you can send your laundry out and you don't have to worry about that. So I hope and pray that if you need some help, that you won't hesitate to stop and ask. That was the hardest thing I had to do when I wasn't able to do completely for myself, was asking somebody for help. So that's the moral of this video, is I needed help with my laundry. How was I going to get my laundry done? I have 3 children and none of them are here. I know they love me, and if they lived here, they'll find a way to help me. But I'm trying to be as self-sufficient as possible, and that is why I found out a way to do my laundry on my own without asking for help, so to speak. So Now, if I had a washer and dryer, then with the aid that comes and stuff, it will get done. But that's not the issue here. So again, you have to do what's best for you and what's best for your family. And this service is best for me. So if you want a review, it's 2 thumbs up because I love the service. And so I hope and pray that this video was helpful. I hope and pray that if you just got some life-changing news that is going to require you to use a device like a cane, a walker, a scooter, a wheelchair, that you hold on to all the good things that's coming out of this. Now, I know it's a hard lesson when you know that you are limited in your mobility, but just be grateful and thankful that you have other things that are thriving, other things that are still in play. So we're going to stop what we're doing right now and say, thank you, Father God. We are so grateful for this day. Thank you, Father God. We are grateful that we got our laundry done today. We are grateful. Okay? So at this time, I like to breathe in and breathe out to get my day started. You don't have to, but I do it because it makes me feel better. Okay? So at this point, we're going to breathe in, breathe out. We thank you, Father God. We are so grateful, Father. Thank you for another day, Father. So, wherever you headed today, to work, to school, or maybe to the laundromat, it doesn't matter. Be happy, be joyful, and put a smile on your face and treat people with respect. It's the only way to live, okay? So have a good day, have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.